Ever since the OnePlus 5T launched in just a single shade midnight black, we've been expecting more colors to come out of the Chinese firm. That's now come to fruition with the introduction of the limited edition Sandstone White OnePlus 5T. It's a color that harks back to the original OnePlus One, but the Sandstone White 5T packs in 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Plus the alert slider is now an eye-catching red. The color scheme does give the handset a Stormtrooper-esque look, which is no surprise considering it's exactly the same color scheme as the special Star Wars edition of the phone that OnePlus launched in India towards the end of 2017. All it's missing is the Star Wars logo on the rear and custom wallpapers on screen. Elsewhere it's business as usual, with the same 6.01-inch Full HD display, Snapdragon 835 chipset, rear fingerprint scanner, face unlock, dual rear cameras, 16MP front snapper and a 3300 mAh battery. You won't be able to get the cheaper 6GB/64GB configuration in white though, with the black OnePlus 5T your only option if you're looking to save a little bit of money. The white OnePlus 5T is strictly until supplies last, although OnePlus hasn't given us any indication of just how many of the color variant it plans to produce. The Sandstone White OnePlus 5T price is the same as the black version, at $599, £499, ensuring it keeps its affordable flagship price tag and goes on sale on January the 9th at 10 AM GMT in the UK and 10 AM ET in the US.